Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check transfer limit on Access Bank app. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get the Access Bank mobile app? Now you can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Access Bank mobile app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in with your existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening a new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage, or the homepage for Access Bank, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to check the transfer limit on Access Bank app. After successfully logging into your Access Bank mobile app, then proceed to locate the settings or the profile section. Now you get the profile section by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, navigate the next step in increasing your bank transfer limit. Now within the settings or profile section, of course, after clicking on the profile icon, search for the transaction limit or similar options where you can just adjust your transfer limit. Now this section allows you to manage various aspects of your bank account, including setting daily transfer limits. Now once you find the transaction limit section, follow the on-screen prompt to proceed with increasing your daily transfer limit. All right, but then proceeding to increase daily transfer limit or adjust the transfer limit is not called this tutorial. The call of this tutorial is to actually check the transfer limit. And how do you do that? Go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your home screen. And once you do that, this is the next window where you're going to see the transaction limits option. So go ahead and click on transaction limits. And once you click on transaction limits, you'll be able to see your transfer limit on the Access Bank application. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.